challenge, compared to
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. The temperature here is currently 43 degrees and sunny. Nice day outside. Most of our snow is now gone. Today I'm going to try Nature's Goodness pineapple juice. I picked this up the other day at a local department store here in Wenatchee. Full disclosure, Burlington is not a sponsor of this video, and Nature's Goodness is not a sponsor of this video. I bought this for $2.54, 33.84 fluid ounces. Looks pretty intriguing. In addition to the pineapple juice, they also had 4 bottles of tomato juice for sale up by the front checkout registers. And maybe depending on how this taste test goes, I might try the tomato in a future video. Glass. Mm. Ah, smells like pineapple. Mm-hmm. Cheers. Clank. Ah, woo. Oh, oh, that's tangy. Oh, excuse me. Wow. Definitely tastes like pineapple juice. Woo. It has a kick to it. That's strong. Almost as if they used overripe pineapples. Boy, it's really tangy. More tangier than other pineapple juices I've had. But not bad. Sweet. Really sweet. Mm. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Ooh. Good coloring. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the Nature's Goodness pineapple juice from the Meeker Corporation an 8.53. Not bad. Pineapple. In terms of other pineapple juices I've had, I would say my favorite is still Dole pineapple juice, followed by Signature Select brand pineapple juice. And I would place Nature's Goodness would probably be third on my list. Oh, not bad. Meeker LLC. Ingredients: pineapple juice from concentrate. And that is from water, pineapple juice concentrate, pineapple puree. Trace amounts of iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium. Good deal. Oh yeah, that'd be good. I wonder how this would taste in a smoothie. Put it in the old blender along with maybe some peaches or bananas as well. Wait, sounds pretty good. Wow. Special shout out to my friends Snowman Dan and Rachel. Hope their day's going well. Exclusively produced for Micor LLC, 1 Rockefeller Plaza, 11th floor in New York, New York. Yeah. 1 pineapple per bottle. Approximate quantity of fruit per bottle. There next to a little asterisk. Store in a cool place. Shake before serving. Refrigerate after opening. And drink within 2 weeks. Ta-da. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody.